in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or enter into safe mode with networking on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu and then select the power icon. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. Should say please wait, and once you have that screen, you can just release pressure on your Shift key. And then if you're unable to boot into this utility or boot into Windows, you can just do a hard power off 3 times in a row, and that'll also open up the troubleshooting menu. On this page, you want to select Troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options, select Startup Settings, and then select Restart. On this page, there's an option for the function 5 key to enable safe mode with networking. You can go ahead and select that on your keyboard, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.